Yes, student, today I will teach you report writing as I have written heading how to write a report. This is very important question for the student of 9th, 10th and 11th as far as writing skill is concerned. One compulsory question started coming in the exams of 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th based on report writing. And generally students face problems. To solve the problem of many of the students who face problem in writing reports, I decided to teach report writing. और report writing से पहले I will tell you some points the students are required to keep in their mind while writing reports. So first it is, students, what is report? So student, reports are spoken or written account of what one has seen, heard and studied. The same I have written. What is report? Report, it is a spoken and written account based on something heard, seen, studied, etc. Report writing is a vivid expression of a personal experience. If you are writing report, it must be a vivid expression. Vivid expression means natural expression. It must be include whatever you are writing in your report. Next point is types of report writing. General reports writing are of two kinds. First, it is newspaper report. Second, it is report for school magazines. दो तरह की रिपोर्ट राइटिंग होती है, न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट राइटिंग और रिपोर्ट फॉर स्कूल मैगजीन. नाउ व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ रिपोर्ट राइटिंग? तो स्टूडेंट्स, क्या पर्पस है रिपोर्ट राइटिंग का? द पर्पस ऑफ रिपोर्ट राइटिंग इज हाईलाइटिंग सम इंसिडेंट्स, इवेंट और एक्सपीरियंस. द सेम आई हैव रिटन. दीज रिपोर्ट्स highlight some incidents, event or experience of general nature, and these are the points the students are needed to be maintained while going through their reports. First, it is report writing should have headline, date, place of origin of news, name of reporter. This must be included before writing a report if you are writing a report for newspaper. And the next point is that if you are writing a report for a school magazine, no need to cover these points I am mentioning in the first point. Third is write in third person. Report writing must be written in third person. There should not be any first and second person pronoun in your report writing. Third, it is include all relevant information. While you are writing report, you should maintain to include all the relevant information as well as relevant words, because the relevant words will give a grace to your reports. Next is content should include the answer of, and your content should include the answer of these four words. What these are? When, where, who, how. And if you will keep in your mind the answer of all these words, you will have a very good report writing. Now students, I will write a report in front of you only to give a gist how we can develop a report writing on any topic using these simple points what I have explained to you now.